Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen keyboard and mouse. To begin, connect your Zen keyboard and mouse to your computer using the provided USB cables or wireless dongles. Ensure your operating system automatically installs the necessary drivers. If not, download them from the official Zen website. Take a moment to feel the ergonomic design and understand the standard key layout. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and comfortable user experience right from the start. Now let's personalize your Zen experience. Open the dedicated Zen software suite, usually accessible through your system tray. Here, you can remap any key or mouse button to perform specific functions, tailoring it perfectly to your workflow. Adjust the mouse's DPI settings for precise control, with common ranges from 400 to 1600 DPI, allowing you to fine-tune sensitivity for different tasks like gaming or graphic design. Experiment to find your ideal configuration. Next, unlock the full potential of your Zen devices with advanced features. Create powerful macros to automate complex sequences of keystrokes or mouse clicks, saving you valuable time. Explore the multi-device connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly switch between up to 3 different computers or tablets with a single click. Mastering built-in keyboard shortcuts will further boost your productivity, making everyday tasks much more efficient and streamlined. These features are designed to enhance your overall interaction. Finally, let's talk about maintaining your Zen keyboard and mouse for lasting performance. Regularly clean your devices with a soft, dry cloth to prevent dust and debris buildup, especially around keys and sensors. Always keep your firmware updated through the Zen software to benefit from the latest features and bug fixes. Should you encounter any issues, consult the comprehensive user manual or visit the online support portal for troubleshooting tips and solutions. Proper care ensures years of reliable use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.